Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real game that we want to download. Now let's go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, reveal family, go for parental controls. Right here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now go back, find Call of Duty again, and it's right here we can play it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.